Hi everyone, it's Patrick again with a new video. Today I'm showing you a great tool to optimize your WVD session hosts. What you will learn in this video is what does the optimization tool actually do, when you should use the optimization tool, and a practical demonstration on how to perform the optimization. Let's dive into the topic. We all know tools like the VMware OS optimization tool or Citrix Optimizer, helping us to improve the local performance of our machines. A comparable solution for Windows Virtual Desktop or RDS workloads didn't exist. For that reason, the formerly known VDIguys Robert Smith and Tim Missick created a community solution to help us optimize our VDI sessions. I have to mention at this stage that this is not an official solution provided by Microsoft, but it shouldn't block us from using this awesome tool. I often receive the question when to optimize the session hosts. Before sysprepping the virtual machine and generalizing it, or while deploying a new session host? My answer to that is clear. If you want to use the tool on your golden image, you can be sure that some of the improvements will get lost by the sysprep operation. For that reason, my recommendation for existing session hosts is to perform the optimization tasks after the deployment and before you let users work on that systems. Now you might ask how to perform this task automatically. For that reason, we can use custom script extensions on Azure, helping us to automate the complete process. But today I'm going to show you how you can simply perform this action manually. But be aware, I will shortly release a new video on doing this action completely autonomously. Finally, I would say it's time for a demonstration. Here you can see my WVD session host on Azure. The first thing we need to do before we are able to execute the optimization is to download it from the GitHub repository. So I'm opening my web browser, navigating to the GitHub repository of the VDIguys. The link can be found here in the comments, and I click on clone and download zip. And after a few seconds, the repository will be downloaded as a zip file, and now we just need to create a folder on our local hard drive where we can store those files. I open up the Explorer to see, create a new folder and call this thing optimization. This will be the location where we can extract the files to the folder. After those files have been extracted, you might not want to present this folder to your end users. For that reason, it could be a recommendation to create a new folder on a location your users wouldn't expect it. For that reason, I create a new folder below C Windows, call that thing WVD support, and paste the recently created folder with the optimization inside to that recently created folder. And you can see all the files from the repository are here. As a next step, we need to open the PowerShell as an administrator to perform the optimization. We need to change the execution policy to remote signed or unrestricted, as you can see here in my example, to be able to execute the script itself. We allow that. Now you can check the current Windows version you are using. As you know, it supports 20.04 and 19.09. Finally, I change to the folder where we have the optimization in place and just execute it while running the script and give the parameter which Windows version we are actually using. In my case, this is minus Windows version 20.04 and verbose to see the output. And that's everything actually you need to do. The magic will happen by itself. The optimization will be applied to your system right now. And we see each other in a few seconds. Now I will take the time to quickly explain you what kind of optimizations will be applied to your system. First of all, AppX packages will be removed for your users. Then several optimizations will be applied while features will be cleaned up. Local policies will be set to improve the performance of your session hosts. System services will be disabled in this case. Scheduled tasks will be disabled too or even removed. Windows update settings will be applied as well as a disk cleanup prior to finalizing the session host itself, what you can see here. All you need to do right now to finalize the optimization is to reboot your system and you're ready to go. This can be done as well by a PowerShell commandlet, which you can see here. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it will help you to improve the overall performance of your session hosts. Next time we will do the trick automatically. If you like what I do, I would much appreciate if you subscribe my channel. See you next time. Thanks for watching.